All right, we're gonna replace the brake light today. As you can see, one of these aren't working. So we'll go ahead and open this up and take this apart. Screw there, there, and there, and this panel will come off. Okay, now it should just come loose. There it goes. So you got your blinker, your reverse light, your brake light, and park light, or running light. It's gonna be this one right here. Just twist it, push that in and twist it. And this is a 2357 LR long life. And then to replace it, you just do the same thing. You'll find the little holes here, line it up, twist it, put it back in here, close it, and slide it back on. Come over here. Come over here. Slide this back in. You're gonna line this up with the holes right there, and then you'll put your 3 screws back in, and you're done. Quick, easy way.